I am in the UAE at the moment, United Arab Emirates, actually in Abu Dhabi over on Yas Island, and I've just been to the Louvre Abu Dhabi. Beautiful museum, auditorium, amazing architecture and structure. It's just stunning. And when I was living here in Abu Dhabi, I remember this is before 2010, there was just a mere architect's model of what this was to be in times to come. And so 2018, I finally get to be here, and it's no longer a model but a real life thing. So it's such an exciting thing watching the dream come alive. And I wonder what it is that you do with your team, that you actually express your dreams for your team. You actually talk about what it is you want to achieve, and then maybe make a model of it. Maybe your version of a model is actually a plan or a trial run, or regular conversations that keep the dream alive. I know when I do a lot of strategic planning with organisations, one of the biggest things I do is spend time on making sure there's actually an implementation plan, not just the action or the strategic plan itself. So how do you make that dream come alive? This is really quite a moving experience for me, because this truly was simply a model, and now it's the real McCoy, now it's the real deal. So what are you doing to help your team and their dreams come alive? So something to think about. Love to know your thoughts. Bye.